Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the subject pronouns. A sentence in Spanish has a pronoun that replaces the noun followed by a regular verb or an irregular verb conjugated to agree with the subject pronoun like yo, tú, él, ella, usted, etc. Now let us see the first singular pronoun in Spanish, that is yo. Yo means I means मैं in Hindi. For example, if I want to say I am a beautiful girl, I will say yo soy una chica bonita. Now in this, yo is the subject pronoun and soy is the conjugation of irregular verb ser. Next is second person informal. Informal means when you are talking about people who are younger to you. Now in this picture you can see two boys are fighting their friends. One boy is saying to the other, you are a bad boy. He will say, tú eres un chico malo. Because they are both friends, they are equal age or they may be younger to each other. Now here can you see in the next picture, there is a small boy who is talking to his teacher. When you talk to your elders, you do not use tú, you use usted. Usted means aap. Aap is used for elders in Hindi. Same way, usted is used for elders in Spanish. He is saying, you are my best teacher. Usted es mi maestro mejor. Third person singular, that is él and ella. Él means he, we say for a male, and ella, we say for a female. But in Spanish, we don't say ella, we say ella. Double L is pronounced as Y in Spanish. So, we say he is a good boy, él es un chico bueno. And if you want to say she is a good girl, you say ella es una chica buena. Now we will see the plurals pronouns in Spanish. The first person plural is nosotros and the first person plural is nosotras. Like for example, here I have said we are friends. So, there is a group of friends who are standing, who are boys. So, you will say nosotros somos amigos. And in the second picture, there is a group of girls who are standing. So, we will say nosotras. That is, we are friends. Nosotras somos amigas. Now, the second person plural is vosotros and vosotras. That is, you all. Tum log. When you talk about people who are younger than you have to use tum log, vosotros and vosotras. Vosotros is used for males and group of males and females, and vosotras is only used for females. Like the teacher is speaking to her small children and saying that you all are very intelligent. Estudiantes, vosotros sois muy inteligentes. And when she is talking to a group of small girls, she will say, niñas, vosotras sois atentas. Children, you all are attentive. Then we have the third person plural, that is ellos and ellas. That is wo log, they. Ellos is used for males and females both. We don't say ellos, we say ellos. They are eating in a restaurant. There are group of friends who are eating in the restaurant. So we will say ellos están comiendo en un restaurante. And there is a group of girls who are eating, who are snacking. Maybe they are in the college. So we will say ellas, that is, they are eating junk food. Ellas están comida rápida. Now, we will see the third person singular. Now see in this picture, you can see two small children are with their grandparents. And they want to tell their grandparents that you all are our favorite grandparents. Here they will not use vosotros. They will say ustedes. Ustedes means आप लोग. They will say ustedes son means abuelos favoritos. You all are my favorite grandparents. Ustedes is used for those who are very much elder to us. So this is the last third person plural. in the pronouns. Thank you students for attending the session. In the next session, we are going to learn about articles. So please stay tuned with our channel so that this series will help you to learn perfect Spanish language. Please do subscribe to my channel and also like the video. Thank you.